Hi, I'm Ian, one of the directors and owners of the business. Today I'm going to talk to you specifically about our machine shop and the Vinyx machines that we use to produce most of our machined product. Now, we've talked a lot about the machining services that we offer at English Woodlands Timber. We've been developing the machine shop over the last 10 years, and our latest acquisition is this Weinig 700 Powermat. All sounds fantastic, but it is really something that's transformed our business. It's coming together with the other Vinyx, which is a 500 Unimat, which is 10 years old, and this one now does exactly the same profiles and cut and works on the same tooling as the other one. So we're able to run two lines simultaneously on the same product or the same project to be able to deal with high volumes, but they are small machines designed specifically for short runs and bespoke projects. Our new Vinyx enables us to be able to do wide widths of up to 250 finished PAR, and that's given us enormous flexibility. Our previous one got only up to 220, 230 wide, and we're now able to make planed all round products together with molded products. Now, although PAR is our planed all round is our principal output, we have 10 core cladding profiles that we work with. But in addition to that, we have over 300 cutters, which in my mind gives us an infinite number of shapes that we can deliver. But it's always amazing to think that twice a week, at least twice a week, we'll end up designing a new cutter and bringing that into production. If you'd like to know more about our machining services, click on the link below and it'll take you through to our website, or subscribe to our video channel and you'll get all the updates as and when they're done.